So guys, sort of wanted to actually talk about sort of suction on the wall, controlling your background suctions and stuff. But as it was going to be really warm, well, it was supposed to be warm, it was warm yesterday, but you can see it's actually drizzling here today. And obviously this wall here is a retaining wall. So what I'm doing to control my suction is I'm soaking the top half. And the reason for that is the bottom half, actually you can see some of the moisture coming through there, that mortar line. And why it's coming through is all these fields are coming down and hitting the back of the wall. I actually have the back of the wall done to try and protect it somewhat. But the moisture will travel down the field and rest at the bottom of the wall and soak through slightly. So if I wet the bottom, wet that bottom, it would never set. I'd be rubbing at it all day. So just a sort of wee tip on that there. But again, it's wee things you'll pick up with experience, and the more you do, the more you'll learn. But yeah, I'll get a wee bit of footage here coating this on. Right, so guys, I've just coated it. I've already given it a bit of a straightening, which I showed you in a previous video, straightening up walls. But this video on how to render a wall, I'll do a couple more wee demos. So all these are slacks, all these smooth areas now are slack. Fill them in. And you fill them in, keep it nice and neat, so that it comes off the wall nice and neat. I'm going to use two straight edges, guys, big sort of 6-foot one and a wee small 3-foot one. Hopefully will get me a bit of a pull across it. You're going to want to pull a straight edge up on it. Taking off all them bits you just filled back in, you can see it getting straighter. Don't be just dumping your stuff. That can be used again. So once you strike it up, you can give it a pull across as well, guys. With another straight edge. It's also good for filling. Pull back in, back off. Here. So this is obviously a garden wall, so this will be filled up somewhat as well. But always try and go as low as you can to help out the next guy. So guys, that's that part of the wall straightened, and I'll continue on straightening the exact same way that I just did there now, and I'll come back to you when I'm rubbing up here and show you how I finish it off.